Hello guys, today we will be making a comparison video जिसमें हम पेपर और कैनवस को कंपेयर करेंगे. Usually I paint on canvas only, but today I am going to try paper and let's see how it turns out. So today I am making a flower painting on paper जिसमें सबसे पहले हम लोग पूरा बेस ब्लैक कर देंगे. As I do this, I can notice that colors काफ़ी smoothly spread हो जा रहे हैं पेपर में, unlike canvas. Now I will start with the flowers and I am using cadmium red for this. Now we will make a brighter version of this pigment जिसमें हम टाइटेनियम वाइट और कैडमियम रेड को साथ में मिलाएंगे. We will continue to make this pigment brighter and paint multiple layers with it. Now I am moving towards the middle of the flower where I am using burnt sienna. Now let's move towards the yellow flower where I am using cadmium yellow. We will continue the same process in this also. Now let's move towards making the vase. For this I am using titanium white with a hint of uranium blue. Now we will start making the stems of the flower with sap green. In this we will also add some highlights on the stems by mixing sap green and titanium white. So at last, this was my first time painting on a paper, and there are some pros and cons to this. So firstly, yes, paper has a smoother surface to paint on. But as you can see, the colors are not looking as vibrant as it looks on a canvas. And on paper you cannot use too much water as it will destroy the paper, but in canvas you can. So on canvas it's really easy to correct your mistakes. So lastly, yes, some people do prefer canvas over paper, I guess because it looks more professional. But I think at last it comes down to what you want, so you can go for it. And that's it. Thank you for watching.